Hello, my name is Dr. David Silberklang. I'm senior historian at Yad Vashem. I'd like to address some of the basic questions about the Holocaust that are most Googled these days by people interested in the subject. And the question I'd like to address right now is, why were the Jews targeted? Well, that's a question that's actually a very large question that we need to break up maybe into two parts. One is, why did the Nazis target them? And the other is, why did so many people show either indifference or willingness to participate? The Nazis saw the Jews not as human beings. The Nazi view of the world was racist. And the Jews, for them, were not a religion, not a people, they were a race. And as a race, they were not only a race, they were an inhuman race, a non-human race, sort of parallel to the races of human beings and the Nazi racial hierarchy that they imagined. The Jews were an anti-human, genetically programmed to destroy the world. And therefore, the Nazis needed to deal with that problem. They defined the Jews as microbes, as diseases, and they meant it. Their biological descriptions of Jews were meant to be taken literally because the Jews were a biological problem. You exterminate pests, you exterminate threats, you exterminate Jews. But why did other people go along with that? Not everybody who targeted Jews along with the Nazis understood or even believed in this racist understanding of Jews, but there was a long tradition in Europe and also in Muslim countries of seeing the Jews as not equal, as an object to be persecuted. And the Jews had been persecuted in one way or another for centuries. That created a foundation from which many people could see that when the Nazis targeted the Jews, it was clear that the Jews were a problem and needed to be targeted. And hence the Nazis found lots of partners wherever they went.